right, here comes the first pitch of the Blizzards-Warriors game.
Play smart.
Strike, awesome curveball. He puts in the first pitch. And here goes the first pitch. Ball on the ground. Grady, no one at first. He's gonna take first base.
Exact same signs that we do.
Here we go.
Different.
And take ball 4.
Kevin can get so
Little bat flip. Kevin's gonna take first base.
Hey, Ben.
And hits him, ball 4.
Hey, we need to run on
Runner's base is loaded. Even and in both of those favors.
2-2. Got me on the base. Oh, my bad.
Pitch. Strike 3, got him.
There's no sound of me. That ball. Hey, Dylan, you ready? He's swinging.
And ball 4.
Go pitch, Rod. Hey, he's got to come to you.
Oh, Russia!
3-1 count. Ball 4.
Russia!
Here, get on second. Get on second.
Runner. Warriors. The Warriors have a huge opportunity to score right now. It's a 3-1. Charlie's probably gonna throw a fastball right down the middle. Or he's gonna hit the camera stick and he's gonna bring it around.
That's 3.
And the break. Ball 4 brings in a run. Scores now 4-0. And the Warriors are striking big time right now. Outside. Outside side. Anyway, the pitch. Ball 4 brings another one. Is now 5-0. Warriors on top.
I'm going to come in to give you a break. You're going to next inning, okay?
Grady coming in to pitch.
Hey. Yeah, 5-0.
It's a drive out there. That's gonna score 1.
Score, Jake. That's the inning.
And that's gonna be the inning. 7-run max for the Warriors. They come on top big as they are having a streak of scoring 7 runs in back-to-back innings. That's their 3rd inning in a row where they've scored max.
On the first strike, on the mound, Ray Hoss up to the plate. First pitch, swing, foul ball.
Let's catch.
1-1 count. Ripped down the center field.
That's a single. Oh,
Good job.
Grady was saying about pushing it for a
Ray,
double.
you should not. You would have.
2-2. Strike right down the middle. Oh, count.
There you go.
Fly
Go,
ball. Oh, Kevin drops it. Grady's running 3rd.
Going home.
Throws it home.
Go 3.
Stay.
They're the same age. Oh, home run.
Popped up. Oh, off the fence.
You're supposed to run on anything. Whoa. It's 1 out. Up. 1.
Hits it right to Kevin. Misses Grady.
Time.
3-2. Ooh. Kevin O'Leary at the dish for the start of the 2nd inning.
Let's go, Kev.
The pitch.
Good eye.
Outside for first ball.
I've got the riser on Kevin.
And they've got a high fly. It's
Yeah!
drops.
Atta boy!
But Chinese sounds really good, bro.
Yeah.
All right, 3-0 to Ben Leitzel. Yeah, ball 4.
What?
Yeah.
Let's go. 11-2.
Ball
No,
1.
make sure you
And
No, full count.
3-2.
Yeah, the wind's
32
going
count.
that way anyway.
Nice.
crushed.
Nice. Off the wall.
No.
Off the wall.
It hit the wall.
Idiot. Play smart. Let's go.
Drive to left center.
Let's go.
That is a home run for Charlie.
All right, Charlie, run. Charlie, go.
Jack. Jack.
Let's go, baby.
What?
Charlie almost threw
Jack.
that to
What's
first.
Yeah, so, nope, you can do that one. Just, no, Brady's right.
Oh.
Dylan! Down the middle. I found off everything on those.
Hey, no. We ain't taking no chances.
Nice.
Oh, ground ball.
Go, go,
Kevin.
go, go, go.
But Grady's gonna be
Nice.
out for a single one.
Never say 11-5. No, it's 4. That's probably me worth 2 runs. Oh, yeah.
Ground ball. Fair.
Stay.
Single for Dylan. Now Grady up to
2 count on Grady.
Go. That's how we end the end.
The pitch. And it's a high fly dropped.
Stay.
Jack L's gonna stay at 1 with the error by Dylan.
That's
Pitch.
it's just so the game doesn't end.
And it's a major fly, but it just hooks foul.
That's foul. That's foul.
That is foul by a mom. After further review, the call stands. Foul ball. Foul. 3-1 count to Kevin O'Leary.
It's 3-1.
Ball 4. Kevin takes his base. Takes his. All right, guys, 3-1. Hits him in the head. Ball 4.
Hey, Jake, we need runner. Here.
Yeah, the Blizzards are in a tough situation.
No, you said lizards.
I said Blizzards. And it's a hard ground.
Easy save. Don't throw that. Don't throw that, Dylan.
Save. Run comes across. Kevin O'Leary.
I said it one time.
Hits him. Full count.
3-2. No, was that ball 4?
I have no idea. It's either 3.
Nothing fancy, just throw strike.
And he takes him.
Here, bend back. Oh, big.
Pitch. And it's a massive strike that gets down. Grady trying to attack someone doesn't work. That brings in another run.
Bro, I almost caught that.
15-4. And that's a massive drive, and that is way gone. That is run limit for the Warriors, though.
You better go, Jake. You better go, Jake.
18-4.
Charlie, just get on base.
Charlie
Need
up
base
to the
runners.
plate.
Dylan, get focused. Get ready to play.
Ooh.
Take. Yes.
Ball low.
Great job. Be smart. We need base runners.
Ball 4. Dylan walks. Now Grady up to the plate.
He hasn't thrown a real strike yet.
Huh?
He hasn't thrown a real
yeah.
strike.
Grady up. 0 count. Ooh.
I got it.
AJ, so you want to play another game after this? How long is the game?
No. Fly ball.
Get on base.
Jackal catches it. 1 out.
Charlie, be smart.
Crushed into the center.
There you go.
Oh, that's off the fence.
Stay.
And Grady scores to
Oh,
makes
you're
it
not
3-1 count.
Be
Dylan
very
takes the
smart
high
here.
pitch.
Come on. Yes,
Ball
yes,
low.
yes. Let's go.
No.
Brown, you're running.
Oh, Jackal misses it.
Dylan, you better get there.
Safe.
That did not.
Out of play. No. Count. Crushes it. Turn
Shit.
And that is a tank. Charlie with his second home run.
Hey, bro.
Charlie.
Nice job, Charlie.
18-10.
Yeah, 18-10.
Go.
Run. Safe.
1-0 count to Charlie.
Charlie, hustle ball out. Go, run.
Popped up.
Hustle. That's dropping.
And that's gonna land
Stay. On the
for a
base.
single.
On the base. Get ready to run, Charlie. Go, run.
Pops it up.
Get there.
And Kevin catches it. That is the ball game.